Welcome to Cognitio. So till now we have covered the list and dictionaries as well, which was advanced data type in Python, and now we are going towards a very interesting data type, tuple, sets and boolean. So tuple is nothing but you can say a collection of variables in a sequential manner, but the difference between the list and the tuple is that the tuple can't be changed, means it's immutable. So tuples are immutable and lists are mutable. You can change the list. So what exactly I mean is, if I create a list is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and the list is 1 2 3 4 5, if I want to change a particular indexed value, like the second index value means 3 to 9, so now the LST would be 12945. It's immutable. We can change the list, but we can't change the tuples. So for creating a tuple, like I have created a variable like TPL, and instead of a square bracket I'll use this bracket, and I can write it like this. Okay, so if I'll print TPL, it will print like this. I can do all the operations what I have done on the list, like grabbing only few elements to grabbing only one element, like that, but I can't change that tuple. So if I want to change the variable 3 means index 2 variable to some value, I'll get tuple object does not support item assignments. Okay, so this is the basic difference. So throughout the program, if you don't want to change anything and you want to assign it once, and you don't want to change anything in a list, you can create a tuple instead of list. So you will have less risky manipulation of the data throughout the program. The set is what the set is. Let's first create a list like 1 1 1 2 3 3 3 2 2 5 5 6 6 6 6 6 7, like this. So if I'll print list is like this. So set is nothing but a collection of unique values inside it. So if I'll convert, if I'll put 1 1, if I'll pass the list from and we can create a set, so it's a collection of this one. So if you want to create anything, just write the curly braces 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. So what exactly I'll be getting 1 2 and 3 uniquely, means only 3 elements. Okay, so you can also create a set by passing like typecasting it and passing the list, and you will get unique value inside it. So if any of the stage of the program, if you want to know only unique values inside a list, you will do convert it to the set itself. And if you want again typecast it to list, you can do it like set to LST. So you will get unique values in form of list itself. So set is nothing but a collection of unique values. Okay, inside that, if I want a list like S is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 5 6 6 6 and 7. So S is equal to this. If I want to add some element, I can do that using the add command. And if I'll print this is S. If I'll add a duplicate value inside it, like 2 is already present over there, and if I want to add the 2, it won't be give error, but it will not do any kind of changes inside that particular set. Okay, so this was the set. Another data type is Boolean. So Boolean, what the Boolean is same as true or false. So true or false. What exactly true and false is, like you know that anything, any conditions or something, if I want to know that if it is true or if it is false or something, and do some kind of operation over there, so this kind of variable I can choose it. So a is equal to true, I'm sorry for that, and it's the capital, and when I'll print the a, it's true. The type of a is full. We'll see how we can use the Boolean data types and how it comes and how it's very useful throughout the program for conditional checking and looping and all those things. Okay, so for this video what we have covered is how we can create a tuples, what are tuples, how we can do and manipulate through the tuples, and how it's different from the list, how we can create a set and what exactly the set is, and the Boolean data type. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to give some suggestions and have some doubt, please write the comment and share this video, like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.